Welcome to InterAct app, a web-based app that fosters intercultural competence. This is a tutorial on how to navigate through the app.
InterAct is available in several languages: English, French, German, Greek, Swedish, and Dutch. The default language is English.
Now let's start by creating an account. Click in Create Account. Fill in your details. Click here and you'll be redirected to the main page immediately.
The starting point of your journey before the mobility is the section Prepare. By clicking there, you will find 3 questions: the first about your expectations, the second about your fears, and the last to make a self-assessment related to the previous sections. In each section, you will find an answer with further explanations if you are interested in it. Click to expand to read more.
In the final question, click to expand to complete a self-assessment. This assessment has 11 goals and it is personal to your experience. This will help you see your growth. During the exchange experience, in each goal, you can assess yourself from 1 to 10. Click on the numbers to find the description that fits you the best.
Once you evaluate the last goal, you will be redirected to a graph which shows your assessment level in the Prepare stage. Now you are ready to continue with your journey and document it in the Experience stage. It's time to make new memories and learnings. You are supposed to navigate in this part preferably during your mobility, which is divided in 3 sections: Mysteries, Track Your Progress, and Achievement Gallery.
Have you ever faced any misunderstandings with other people? Would you like to understand why? Become an intercultural detective and have fun while uncovering the mysteries.
In the Mysteries part, you will find 3 sections. In the first section, you will be able to see the mysteries you have already solved. In the second section, it's your time to shine. Let's solve some mysteries. By clicking here, you can solve your mystery by filling the blanks. Any problems on how to do it? Click the I and you will receive the suggestions step by step.
Finally, you can save the mystery and find it in the My Mysteries section, so you can challenge yourself and solve more.
In the section Other Mysteries, you can find real experiences of other mysteries that were already solved. Just click in Read More to find out what they are about.
Have you done any progress? Let's find out with a new self-assessment. It is based on the same 11 goals. Using these arrows, you can navigate through the goals. In the self-assessment, it is not mandatory to answer every question. It is your personal journey. By reaching out the goal, you will be able to unlock an achievement that will bring you closer to become an intercultural master.
Watch out! Not every answer will give you the possibility to unlock it yet, but worry not, because you will receive a motivational message to support your intercultural experience. You can try to improve and unlock the achievement later on. In the menu, you can also check in the gallery the achievements you unlocked during your mobility.
After you get home, it's time to look back on your experience. In this part, you will do your final assessment based on the same goals. You should answer once again from 1 to 10, and you can explain why you selected this response in this area.
Once you finish your post-self-assessment, you will be able to get a certificate approved by the youth worker. After filling the email of the youth worker in charge of the project, click in Get Approval. Once the youth worker will approve your progress, you can download a certificate.
If the youth worker will not approve it, don't worry. You will still be able to download a self-certificate. In this same page, you can also check a feedback and your self-assessment's evolution to see the progress you've made on your intercultural competences. Congrats!
If you are a youth worker, access to your profile area and add your worker's email to set your profile as a youth worker. Optionally, you can also add the information related to the organization you work for. These information will appear in the certificates of the participants.
When a participant is asking for the approval, as a youth worker, you will receive a notification afterwards. You will be able to see their certificate before approving it. Furthermore, You will be able to leave a feedback and flag the approval for the certificate.
In the end, if you want to delete your account, you can access your profile page and scroll to the bottom. By clicking on Delete Account, you will erase all your information from the database.
Ready for a new journey, you can start the process once again, as many times you want.
Enjoy!